The game is going to start another time. Light green Arav, dark green Siddharth. Let's roll the dice.
1, 2, 3.
This time Arav is taking lead, but Sidhu is super fast. Let's see who's gonna win this contest. Siddharth is leading by 2-1. Oh my god. Oh my god, Siddharth is doing fantastic job. Arav is so fast this time, he's gripping.
No, I'm fast.
Both are rolling very fast.
Who is loading very fast?
Both the guys. Let's see who's gonna win this contest. Very close fight between both them. Very close fight. Close time, close time. Both the guys are taking too much time this time.
Who is taking too much time?
You both the guys. This time, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Win. So fast, Arav is this time. So close he is. Siddharth is juggling.
Shut up.
Yeah! Arav did it this time. No hard feeling.